Boom, what up everybody, this is AJ here, and today I'm going to be talking about rib flare, how I fixed it, and how you can too. And by saying I fixed it, I mean bringing my ribs inside to where they don't show anymore, to where when I take my shirt off, you see a six-pack instead of two ribs just coming out, you know what I'm saying? Now how long did it take me to fix this? I'm going to give you my honest answer here. It does not matter, because everybody's different, everybody's built different, everybody has a different physique, so you cannot compare yourself to nobody. Now I'm gonna tell you how long it took me. It took me about like a year and a half, but still, it may take you like a year, it may take you 2 years, it may take you 5 years. Shit, it does not matter. But most important thing is you stick to the process, you believe in yourself, you believe in the process. Now, I had rib flare my whole life. I was born with it, but I never started to worry about it till 2 years ago. 2 years ago is when I really looked at it as something that was really embarrassing. You shouldn't look at it that way. I'm sure it was mental, but it really put me down sometimes. Like when I go to the beach, I'd be scared to take my shirt off. And I know many of you feel that way. So today I'm going to be talking about how you can fix it. Listen to this. This is the most important thing. The main thing that helped me with my rib flare, is exercise. Now, not just exercise because before these 2 years, I was exercising, but I still did not fix that rib flare. Now, what helped me fix it is keeping my abs tight during each exercise. Like right now, I'm about to do crunches. Best believe I'm gonna keep my abs as tight as possible. You wanna keep them as flexed as possible. Let's say I'm about to do, not just ab exercises, any exercise you do. I'm about to do pull-ups, squats, deadlifts, anything. You better keep your abs as flexed as possible. This is the most important thing. This is how you're going to fix it. I was exercising before these 2 years, but as I said, this is when I started to worry about it. I did not know that I had to keep my abs flexed when I was exercising, so I never was able to fix my ribs. And this is what my ribs look like at the moment when I'm flexing. I'm not in my best shape right now, but you get the point. I haven't worked out in a week. Notice this look. I know you have rib flare, right? I want you to try this out. Now, touch your ribs right now without doing anything. Just touch your ribs. They're popping out, right? Now try to flex your abs as hard as you can and see how far in they're gonna go. And when you get used to flexing them through each and every exercise, day by day, month by month, your ribs are slowly gonna go inside, your abdominals are gonna hold them inside, and you're gonna have abs instead of ribs just popping out. Now, to show your abs, of course, you're gonna need good nutrition. You need good nutrition to even fix your ribs, because working out without good diet, just eating bullshit, you're not gonna get nowhere. You're not gonna grow your muscles. Your muscles are not gonna go strong enough to keep those ribs in. So diet is very important, nutrition is very important. Now, do you need supplements? No, you do not need supplements. All I used was a basic protein powder. If you want to know what kind of protein powder, I use the grass-fed protein powder. I always look for the cleanest stuff out there, and I always want to recommend the best stuff for you guys. Don't take no bullshit protein powder. Like, I don't want to mention no brands, but you know what I mean. But anyways, I made a good schedule. I was working out 5 times a week, hitting every single muscle at least once a week, and working extra hard on my abs. This is how you get your 6-pack or 4-pack. Depends on your genetics, you know what I mean? Now, other than exercise and good nutrition, what else helped me? These 2 stretches. Actually, not 2. There are many stretches that helped me out. So one of the stretches that really helped me is hanging on a bar. Now, not just hanging on a bar, because look, when you extend your arms up and you keep your ribs, your abs loose, you go up like this, your ribs are gonna come out, and this is the last thing you wanna do. When you're hanging on a bar, you wanna keep your abs flexed. You wanna keep your abs flexed to where your ribs do not move outwards, they stay inside. And you wanna do this every single day, because I believe this is gonna help you, since it really helped me out. So let me use this as a bar. Nah, it might fall. But anyways, you get the point. Another stretch that really helped me is actually a similar stretch, but use a wall instead of a bar. So This is what I mean. You sit on the ground in front of a wall. You sit up straight, right? You want your back to be straight. You want your shoulders to be back. And then you extend your arms up. Make sure your arms are straight. You go back as far as possible without bringing your ribs outside. You want to keep your ribs inside, right? You go as far as possible. First, you're probably not going to be flexible, but it does not matter. With repetition, every single day, you're going to get better at this stretch. So you want to extend as far as possible. You want to do this every single morning. You go as far as possible and you hold it. You hold it for a while and you do about 3 sets of this. You need discipline. Some days you're gonna wake up hopeless. It's inevitable. Everybody experiences these days. And this is when you gotta have discipline. It happens to a lot of men. You're gonna experience it at some point in your life. And this is when you have to stay focused on your purpose. This is when you know that you have to do this thing to grow spiritually, physically, mentally. And this is where growth starts. This is where you know you're gonna be something big in your life. And it's getting kind of deep here, but anyways, you get the point. You need discipline. You can't be not motivated one day and not do it. You need discipline, homie. This is the only way you're gonna get to where you wanna get. This is the only way you're gonna get rid of these flaring ribs popping out. Even while you're wearing a shirt, everybody be like, yo, what is that? I know that feeling, trust me. I had it all my life. Guys, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I got so many videos coming up soon. I'm gonna be making all kinds of videos like exercises, workouts for beginners, intermediate people, advanced people, all kinds of people. I'm gonna be making rants like these every now and then where I talk about how to fix a posture issue like protracted shoulders or pectus excavatum. I had these issues, by the way, too. I'm gonna help you guys fix that. Believe in you, homie. You'll get to where you wanna get as long as you have that discipline. Anyways, take care, guys. See you in the next video.